Fluent English Practice.
Hello, and welcome back to Fluent English Practice.
Hi everyone, we are so happy you are here with us today.
If you are new here, please click the subscribe button and like this video. It really helps our channel grow. I'm Ashley.
And I'm David. We are here to help you practice English with real, everyday conversations.
Yes, real English, the English people actually use.
So Ashley, what are we talking about today?
Today, we are going to talk about yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yes, how to talk about what you did yesterday in simple English.
Perfect. Not last year, not 10 years ago, just yesterday.
Exactly. Yesterday is close. Yesterday is easy to remember, and that makes it perfect for practice.
Let's get started.
So, David, how are you today?
I'm feeling good today. A little tired, but good.
Why are you tired?
Because yesterday was a busy day.
Oh, that's perfect for today's topic.
Exactly. So, Ashley, how are you today?
I'm good too. I slept well last night, so I have more energy today.
Nice. So let's start very simply.
Okay. David, what did you do yesterday morning?
Yesterday morning, let me think. Yesterday morning, I woke up at 7:30.
Did you wake up early or late?
A little late. I usually wake up at 7, but yesterday I was tired.
That happens.
Yes, so I woke up at 7:30. Then I turned off my alarm.
Did you get up right away?
No, I didn't. I stayed in bed for about 10 minutes.
Of course you did.
Yes, then I got out of bed and went to the bathroom.
What did you do there?
I washed my face and brushed my teeth.
Simple morning routine.
Yes. After that, I went to the kitchen and made coffee.
Black coffee?
Yes, just black coffee. No sugar, no milk.
Very simple.
After I made coffee, I drank it slowly and checked my phone.
Emails or messages?
Both. I checked my messages first, then my emails.
Okay, and then?
Then I made a small breakfast.
What did you eat?
I ate toast and eggs, 2 eggs.
Nice.
After breakfast, I got dressed and left the house.
What time did you leave?
I left at about 8:30.
So that was your morning.
Yes, that was my morning.
Very clear. Now it's my turn.
Okay, Ashley, what did you do yesterday morning?
Yesterday morning, I woke up at 6:45.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, I had a busy day yesterday.
Did you wake up with an alarm?
Yes, I did. My alarm rang at 6:45.
Did you get up right away?
Yes, I did. I didn't stay in bed.
Very disciplined.
Thank you. After I got up, I went to the bathroom and took a quick shower.
A shower in the morning?
Yes, it helps me wake up.
After the shower, I got dressed and went to the kitchen.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee. Always coffee.
Same here.
I made a cup of coffee and a bowl of oatmeal.
Healthy breakfast.
I tried.
After breakfast, I packed my bag and left home at 8.
Did you walk or drive?
I drove yesterday.
Okay, so that was your morning.
Yes, that was my yesterday morning. So now let's move to yesterday afternoon.
Good idea.
David, what did you do in the afternoon?
Yesterday afternoon, I worked.
Just worked?
Mostly, yes.
What time did you start work?
I started work at 9 in the morning, so in the afternoon I was already working.
Okay, what did you do at work yesterday afternoon?
I had a meeting at 1.
How long was the meeting?
It was about 1 hour.
Was it a good meeting?
It was okay, not very exciting.
That's normal.
After the meeting, I went back to my desk and answered emails.
A lot of emails?
Yes, too many emails.
I understand.
Then at about 3:30, I took a short break.
What did you do during the break?
I stood up, stretched, and made another cup of coffee.
More coffee.
Yes, I needed it. After the break, I finished my work for the day.
What time did you finish?
I finished at 5.
Okay, that sounds like a normal work day.
Yes, very normal. Now my afternoon.
Okay, Ashley.
Yesterday afternoon, I also worked.
What did you work on?
I worked on a report.
A long report?
Yes, a long report. I started writing it in the morning and finished it in the afternoon.
Did you have any meetings?
Yes, I had a video call at 2.
Who was the call with?
It was with my team.
How long did the call last?
About 45 minutes.
After the call, what did you do?
After the call, I felt tired, so I made some tea.
Tea this time, not coffee?
Yes, green tea.
Nice.
Then I continued working until 5:30.
So you finished later than me.
Yes, I did.
Now let's talk about yesterday evening.
This is my favorite part.
Me too. David, what did you do yesterday evening?
Yesterday evening, I went home after work.
What time did you arrive home?
I arrived home at about 6 o'clock.
And then?
Then I changed my clothes and sat on the sofa.
Did you relax?
Yes, for about 20 minutes.
Nice.
After that, I made dinner.
What did you cook?
I cooked pasta.
With sauce?
Yes, tomato sauce. Very simple.
After dinner, I washed the dishes.
Good job.
Thank you.
Then I watched TV.
What did you watch?
I watched a drama series.
How many episodes?
Just one episode.
After that, I checked my phone again and replied to some messages.
And then,
Then I went to bed at about 10:30.
did you fall asleep quickly?
Yes, I did. I was tired.
That sounds like a good evening.
It was.
Now my evening.
Okay.
Yesterday evening, I went to the supermarket after work
Why did you go to the supermarket?
because I needed food for dinner.
What did you buy?
I bought vegetables, bread, and some chicken.
Did you cook at home?
Yes, I did.
What did you cook?
I cooked rice and chicken.
Sounds delicious.
It was good.
After dinner, I cleaned the kitchen.
Then what did you do?
Then I called my sister.
How long did you talk?
About 30 minutes.
Nice.
After the call, I watched some videos on my phone.
And then you went to bed.
Yes, I went to bed at 11.
Did you read before sleep?
No, yesterday I didn't read. I was too tired.
That's okay.
So now we talked about yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, and yesterday evening.
Yes, a full day.
And we used a very important tense.
Yes, the past simple tense.
Exactly.
Now let's stop for a moment and look at the language we used.
Vocabulary time.
Vocabulary microscope.
I like that name.
Let's start with the most important thing. Past simple verbs.
In English, when we talk about yesterday, we usually use the past simple.
For example,
I woke up, I ate breakfast, I went to work, I finished at 5.
notice that many verbs change.
Yes, wake becomes woke, eat becomes ate, go becomes went.
These are irregular verbs,
And some verbs are regular.
like worked, watched, cleaned.
They end with ed.
Exactly.
Now let's look at the time words we used.
We said
Yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening.
last night. These words help the listener understand when something happened.
Yes, time words are very important.
We also used sequence words.
Words like first, then, after that, finally.
These words help us tell a story in order. For example,
First, I woke up. Then I made coffee. After that, I went to work.
very clear. Now let's talk about questions in the past simple.
Good idea.
When we ask questions about yesterday, we often use did.
For example,
What did you do yesterday? Did you work yesterday? Did you cook dinner?
notice something important.
Yes, after did, the verb goes back to the base form.
Not cooked, just cook.
Exactly.
And answers can be short.
Yes, I did. No, I didn't.
Simple and easy. Now let's practice a little.
Okay. Ashley, ask me a question about yesterday.
Okay. David, did you watch TV yesterday evening?
No, I didn't. I called my sister.
Good.
Now your turn.
David, did you cook yesterday?
Yes, I did. I cooked pasta.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about something very real.
Sometimes we don't remember everything from yesterday.
That's true.
So what can we say then?
We can say,
I think I don't remember exactly, but maybe I.
these phrases are very natural.
For example, I think I went to bed around 10:30.
Yes, that sounds very natural.
English doesn't need to be perfect.
Communication is more important.
Exactly.
Now it's time to ask you, our listener.
Think about your yesterday.
What did you do yesterday morning?
What did you do yesterday afternoon?
What did you do yesterday evening?
Try to say it out loud.
For example, yesterday morning I woke up at 7. Yesterday afternoon I worked. Yesterday evening I watched TV.
That's great practice.
Yes, and don't worry about mistakes.
We make mistakes too.
All the time.
Before we finish, let's do a short review.
Today, we learned how to talk about yesterday.
We used the past simple tense.
We used regular verbs like worked and watched.
We used irregular verbs like went, ate, and woke up.
We used time words like yesterday, yesterday morning, and last night.
And we used sequence words like first, then, and after that.
That's a lot,
But you heard it in a real conversation.
and that makes it easier to remember.
In our next video, we are going to talk about last weekend.
Yes, a little further in the past.
So today, yesterday, next time, last weekend.
Perfect step-by-step learning.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
You are doing a great job.
Remember, a little practice every day makes a big difference.
Have a wonderful day today.
And have a great tomorrow.
Bye for now.
Goodbye!